Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to open your Mashreq Neo account in 2025. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you will have to open your web browser, and in your web browser, you will have to simply search for Mashreq Neo current account. Now, once you search for it, you will see the first link. So you need to click on that link and you will be landed on this page. Now over here you will see this prompt that would say that you can get up to 5,000 dirhams, and this is a limited time offer. So you can just scroll down a bit and take a look at the account opening process. So here you will have to scan your Emirates ID, take a selfie, enter your personal details and choose your account type. So once you are here, you need to simply click on the apply now button, and once you click on the apply now button, it will redirect you on this page, where first of all you need to click on the accept button in the bottom and wait for some time until the page loads in front of you. You need to use your device's camera in order to scan your valid Emirates ID. This will autofill some of your personal details. So here you need to just provide your phone number, your email address, confirm your email address. You need to add any promo code if you have, then press next in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you need to capture your Emirates ID, then you need to just provide your work details and choose the account type that you want to open, which in our case is the new account, new savings account or current account. It depends on you. Then you need to provide your tax details, your address details, and you need to simply submit your application. Now, once you submit your application, you are going to get all the details via your email address. So you will be able to use that in order to create your username and your password. Now, once you have your login credentials, you will be able to easily log in into your account in the final step, from where you can basically access your account and you can start the withdrawals and the sending of money. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.